Pressures from the outside, such as shifting dirt and soil expansion, can severely weaken and damage foundation walls by bowing and cracking. Our engineers here at Cobra Carbon Fiber have designed our carbon fiber, epoxy, and steel bracket product line. Looking first at our Dominator bracket. It is a tension-loaded spring, used with a steel beam to apply over 1,000 pounds of counteracting strength at every beam. Next, we have our carbon fiber plate, used with our Eliminator bracket. The carbon fiber plate is attached to the wall with epoxy. It provides resistant strength, evenly distributed along the plates to stop and prevent bowing walls. The Eliminator bracket serves two purposes. It holds in place and supports the fiber fusion plate. And additionally, it prevents inward shearing at the top and bottom of the wall. Order our cutting-edge foundation repair products at CobraCarbonFiber.com.